Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time watching, then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another look using my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I still haven't worked my way through all of these shades and I really want to try every single one. So today I'm going to be using the black shade and pairing that with a nice purple to do a lovely colourful yet dark smoky eye. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. I do really like doing smoky eyes, and it's also a very good way to practice your blending because you cannot lie with a black eyeshadow. You know, every mistake is going to be seen. So I also want to point out today I'm wearing my hunting and fishing top because it is cold AF where I am right now. I'm right next to one of the biggest mountains in the country and there was a fresh dusting of snow last night, so yeah, I'm really feeling that today. But anyway, enough rambling on. I'm sure you guys don't really care about what the weather's like where I am, so let's just get on into the tutorial. Alright, eyebrows. White eyeshadow base on the eyelid. As usual, the eyeshadow base that I'm using is my P.Louise base in the shade Rumor Zero. And yeah, we are ready to begin the makeup. Seeing as purple is our statement color, I really want the purple to be very vibrant and to stand out against the black. So the shade that I'm going to use for the crease color or the transition color is this shade here called Blood Queen. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to pop that on a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply this to the crease, and I'm stamping this on and swirling it around to make sure that I'm really packing the color on, but I'm also keeping the edges nice and blended. And I'm bringing this out across the crease into a bit of a winged shape, and I'm just making sure that all the edges are nice and blended before we move on to the next step. Okay, so that is the purple down, and it's not completely like blended and pigmented, but I'm going to leave it as it is for now because we're going to go back over with the purple afterwards anyway. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my P.Louise base and I'm just going to apply a little bit more over the lid where I'm going to be applying the black, just so I can get a nice even base so that the black will really stand out. And then I'm going to apply this shade here called Executioner using a smaller crease brush, and I'm applying this all over the lid and up into the crease, out in a bit of a winged shape, and just blending that right into the purple. Alright, so we've got the black on there, and I must admit at this stage it looks pretty bad. So what I'm going to do to sort that out is go back in with Blood Queen, the dark purple shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the black using that, and I'm going to also go back in with the black and the purple and just keep blending those until I get that nice and blended. And then I'm going to go in with the white grey shade from the palette and another blending brush, and I'm just using that to blend out the edges of the purple even more. Okay, so it's still looking a little bit funky right now, but don't worry, once we finish off the look and add lashes, it's all going to tie in together and look a lot better. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line, so applying some of that P.Louise base to my under eye area, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the black to the under eye first and then blend the edges out using the purple. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go do my face makeup, and then I'll be back to finish off the look for you guys. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add highlight. So I'm taking my Lime Crime Mermaids highlight and going in with this shade here called Seashell, and I'm going to apply it using these two brushes, so the fluffy highlighting brush for my face and the small eyeshadow brush for around my eyes. Alright, now I'm going to take this shade here called Pink Magic and that same small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner tear duct area. Okay, next I'm going to add in some colour to the waterline. So I'm taking my Kylie lip pencil in the shade Kourt K and applying this to my waterline. Alright, and now I'm just going to pop on my favourite nude lipstick, which is of course my Lime Crime Lip Glaze in the shade Cash. And I know what you guys are thinking, does this girl own any other lipsticks? And the answer is not really. I mainly focus on my eyes, so I always wear nude lips. Yeah, I don't really bother to get more lipsticks, but I do know that I need to, because I need to switch it up a little bit. I'm getting sick of this, wearing the same colour. Alright, and now the last thing left to do is just to apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to use are my XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes. These are in the style Exotic. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I really like how the glitter and the black kind of creates this glossy, wet look kind of eyelid. It does make it look very like dirty and grungy, which is not for everyone, and it's definitely very bold. So yeah, definitely not an everyday look, but yeah, it's just a very nice nighttime kind of going out look. It definitely didn't turn out how I was expecting it to turn out, but I am still very happy with the way it looks. But it's definitely reminded me that I do need to do some more work on blending with my black, because geez, that was a mission. I almost washed it off, but I was like, nah, just keep going and like see if it looks all good, because you know, you put in so much effort and then just to wash it all off, it's just so heartbreaking. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe. And tick that little bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.